Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on ordered pairs. An ordered pair consists of two numbers that are written in a specific order. In simple terms, each ordered pair locates a unique position on a two-dimensional grid. Examples of ordered pairs are as follows. Number 1, 3, 5. So that's how an ordered pair is written. You have two numbers separated by a comma and then they're enclosed by grouping symbols. We'll see what they mean in a moment. The second one is -2, 4. Then we have -1, -2, and then we have 4, -3. Each individual number in any ordered pair is referred to as a coordinate. So the 3 is a coordinate and the 5 is a coordinate. And when you put those numbers together, you have an ordered pair. The first number is the x coordinate and the second number is the y coordinate. So here the x coordinate is 3 and the y coordinate is 5. And it's the same with each of these ones here. Ordered pairs can be plotted on a number plane as follows. Now we've seen the idea of a number plane in previous years. All it is like a grid, and we have these two axes here at 90 degrees. They're at right angles to each other, and we have a positive and a negative on the x-axis. That's called the x-axis, and we also have positives and negatives on the y-axis. We've seen this before, it's not new to us. And what I've done is I've plotted these 4 points here. So the first one is 3, 5. You always start here where the two axes intersect, and then we have 3, 5. So if the first number is an x coordinate, we go 1, 2, 3. So we go 3 along on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis, and that's how we locate 3, 5. The next one is -2, 4. We always start here. -2, 4, -2 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis, and that's the point -2, 4. -1, -2, start here. -1 on the x-axis and -2 on the y-axis, and that's the point -1, -2. And finally 4, -3. Always start here. 4 along the x-axis and -3 on the y-axis, and that's the point 4, -3. So you can see why they're called ordered pairs. They're ordered because you always mention the x number first, followed by the y number. The point 0, 0 on the number plane is referred to as the origin. So the point here where we always start, that's referred to as 0, 0, because you don't move anywhere on the x-axis and you don't move anywhere on the y-axis. That's why it's called 0, 0. And it is the origin. That's where you start. Let's look at some examples. Plot the following points on the given number plane. The first one is 0, 4. Start here. 0 for the x-axis, 4, so there's 0, 4. B is 3, 0. 3 across, and you don't go up or down because the second digit is 0. Number C, -2, 0. 2 to the left, and you stay there. And the last one, 0, -4. Start here, 0, you don't go left or right, and there's -4. So we've plotted those 4 points there. Secondly, example 2, give the coordinates of each of the following points on the number plane. We have to find what E is. Remember, always start here, and if we go across until we're underneath E, we've reached 5. We go up till we reach E, and that's 6. So E must be 5, 6. F, we go across to -4, we go up to 5, so it's minus 4, 5. G, we go left, minus 5, and down, minus 3, and there's G. And H, we go to the right, 4, and down, minus 2, and that's H. So this video has introduced us to the idea of ordered pairs, and they are points which can be plotted on a number plane, which consists of an x-axis and a y-axis. And the reason they're called ordered pairs is that the x number is always first and the y number is always second.